I identify as a person in recovery. My journey at RCA actually started as a patient in 2017, so I feel deeply connected to the mission. I have been in long-lasting recovery for years and feel as though RCA has treated me with the dignity and respect that has deeply enabled my recovery and long-term recovery. Addiction is something that has plagued my family for years, and to break that curse with the help of RCA is something that I would love to enable other families to do.
Thank you for calling the admissions department for Recovery Centers of America. My name is Jonathan, and I'm here to help. Can you start off by getting your first and last name, please?
Knowing that I could have an impact on the family in the same way, the patient in the same way, and the neighborhood in the same way is something that deeply impacts me. The cycle of addiction is something that can be broken. It's something that can be broken one day at a time, and RCA is here to do it one day at a time. The million reasons why we should save a million lives is because those are a million lives, a million individuals, a million families that are impacted by addiction. There's so many beautiful stories here at RCA. Calls from patients who just called to check in and say, I just celebrated 4 years sober, is some of the most beautiful stories that I can possibly even fathom. It's about saving lives here at Recovery Centers of America, and to know that I'm truly a part of that, and I've been one of those lives saved, is probably the greatest thing that I could ever thank RCA for.